Hello and welcome to another MDAR demonstration of different GU10 bulbs with the VMBDMI-R dimmer. Now I've got some great news today. I've just received the Osram SuperStar GU10 Par16 dimmable 36-degree lamps. It's a fair mouthful. And I have to say these are the best I've seen perform with a Velbus dimmer. Let me show you. This is a 5-second dim to 1%. Obviously it's just going to go straight to 1%, but this is 1%. It even comes on quite nicely. If we then give it a 10-second fade to 50%, you'll see it's a really nice fade all the way up to 50%. Not a hint of flicker in the home, there's no fluctuation, it's just nice and smooth. And if we take it up to 100%, there is a discernible increase in light level in the room, and these are just two of them, and these are 8 watts I think. So take them back down to 50% again from full. It's a 10-second fade. And we'll do a press and hold for a dim down to the remainder. So there you have it. That's the Osram SuperStars, and they are superstars. I got these ones from RareClick, but the Osram sell around the globe, so you should be able to find them. And it is specifically the Osram SuperStar GU10 Par16 dimmable lamp. And for those that really want the information, you can have a look at that. Thanks.